he went to the company for getting job, but they are asking corruption, but they don't give that type of money. At the time he spoils his life also.
Yes, I agree with her. Not only in that sector, if in villages there are so many poor people are there, their children they can't read. They want to pay so much money and they can't read, but they will come to any private sector schools or colleges. If you want to join one kid, they will ask so much money. At least the LKG student also they will ask so much money. At least 10,000 they are asking. These two also they are so much corrupted.
Yes, I can agree with this. This is mainly also causes on education field. We can see that when we go to a college for a management quota or NRI quota, if we ask for him to give a seat for 45,000 or 50,000, the officers of the officials will demand for 60,000 up to 1 lakh, but he cannot pay that due to his resources and something.
I agree with you. In education wise also they are corrupting like 10 papers and inter papers are corrupted for paying the money and taking the bribe.
Agree with the Pakistan players was match fixing to the other countries. Then the Pakistan team is lost the cricket match, lost that match. Then that country is undeveloped.
Hard for our India. Recently, one coal mining company is rendered 15,000 crores approximately, but it is 3,000 crores above. But the PM is sanctioned for the company. They will take black money for their account. In this manner, our heart of India is corrupted. Our India is also corrupted. First of all, we will change our society. First of all, the main playing role are PM, CM, ministers, MLAs, MPs. They are corrupted. Next to they are almost all persons are corrupted. That's why we will change our society, our politicians, our system, and we will do an escape from the scams and whatever it may be. Like this, our laws will also very weak manner.
Yeah, what you said is really correct. Not only when we compare to foreign countries and present India, Americans they will think about present, but in Indians they are thinking for future. In America they will what we want to gain money, that we want to enjoy for present life only. But in Indian government people or any politics, they will think about future, like we want to gain for money for grandsons, sons. They will think about like that. That is in India is corrupting so much.
So we can see that corruption in day-to-day life. For example, when we go and when we are riding the bike without a helmet, when the officer can catch that without, then we can easily escape from that by giving the bribe to him, and he will cancel that. And not only that, in the real estate and so on, while constructing, he will take money to construct the roads, but he will construct the road, but within the short time if the roads will spoil when the rain falls like that. That also one type of corruption. He make the roads by poor property, and they may occur to road accidents also.
Nowadays we see
For their self-sake.
nowadays we see in tourism, police department is also corrupted, but police corruption is soliciting and accepting bribes for exchanging, not reporting illegal activity. levels.
Yes, I agree with you.
We conclude that.
By taking this punishing the people,
We can stop the corruption by implementing the catch agencies for the corruption. The operation is called a sting operation. A small camera which is used to keep in our pockets, which is secretly, and where the corruption occurs, we can catch them and we can give to any sincere person and we can stop the corruption. And don't encourage corruption. Stop avoiding corruption.
While stopping the corruption, we want to keep one rule like who will take corruption and who will give corruption. They want to punish it severely. That time we can stop corruption and save India.
In a year, 90% corruption is going on. So we provide the education free and medical faculty. We stop the 90% corruption will be stopped. India will be fulfilled requirement.
First of all, we will stop ourselves to giving the money for any person who will ask that. We will fight against any person asked. We will fight against where corruption is there. We will implement anti-corruption there.
Second, stop the corruption in the government office, setting the CC cameras.
First of all, we are encouraging the corruption. While if we want to go for MRO office, if we have
accidents are going on commonly in the world due to talking in mobiles while driving and not use the helmets, taking drinks, etc. Because of these road accidents, so many people are dying and losing their families and becoming too handicapped. There are so many reasons to occur these road accidents. There are so many reasons to be treating road accidents. Personally, thought it is extreme of safety. I agree with you. Nowadays, population is more and traffic is also increasing day by day. Should we follow the traffic rules to avoid road accidents? Alcohol consuming persons should not drive the vehicles on the roads. Should we follow the traffic rules? And machines should be followed as one of the charging at any cost.
Not only two reasons, these two reasons, so many accidents are going on by the negligence of government and traffic police, and not only by the public. And traffic police should not take the severe actions for these activities.
Yeah, I agree with everyone. For example, when the roads are under construction, the government is not implementing that this road is under construction, and they are not keeping any symbols that this road is under construction. So the ordinary people are facing many problems of these road accidents. Mainly, the traffic police is one who is correcting, and they are giving the license for everyone who are not eligible also. So it's important for everyone that he should be.
In nowadays, we can see so many accidents are done by overspeed and drivers who are driving. So we can avoid these two reasons. We can avoid accidents.
In olden days, this number of vehicles today we increase a lot. Take Mahalaya example. Meaning of Mahalaya is only 4 or 5 bikes, but now it's hundreds of bikes. number of vehicles are increased, so traffic will be very high. Because of this also we have so many accidents.
By avoiding these accidents, the government has to implement the awareness programs. Implementing these awareness programs, the drivers has to be aware and aware. These type of programs are conducting the government, but people are not cooperating with them. They conduct it in the 7 days every year. These programs, but the cooperation of the people is not good. So we may have to cooperate with the government and avoid this type of accidents. Every driver has to maintain the signal lights and radar stickers on their vehicles. While we are traveling the night times, our vehicle has to be covered.
But this problem is based only mostly on India, because the Indians are not following the traffic rules. They are mostly neglected the traffic rules. But see, the government also not supported to us, because they are mostly adapted to the
Yeah, I can say that we can provide awareness programs so that we can so that the people can know that these are the rules that we should follow. Every person are going on triple driving so that the accidents may occur. So please try to avoid the triple driving and we can save our life.
I can say that so many people do not follow the traffic rules. This is the one of the reasons for road accidents. Alcohol and poison is not accident. There are so many reasons to reduce the road accidents and reduce the road accidents. We need a reduce of government. For example, traffic police. The government can do so many traffic rules. They don't follow the rules. The traffic. When the person driving the vehicle on the roads without speed,
there are